Let us go over now some blockchain basics so you understand how blockchain ties into all of this and why NFT is such a revolutionary technology. For starters, what makes an NFT so valuable is that blockchain has enabled digital scarcity. And I'm going to tell you exactly what that means, but an NFT is valuable because it is digitally scarce. And I can explain that to you by presenting to you the problem with the double spend problem, which is what Bitcoin solved. This is why Bitcoin is so valuable. Bitcoin is digitally scarce. Let's apply it now to NFTs. So the concept is very simple. Let's say that you take a digital picture of something, say for example this bird. You've got a digital photo and you email it to someone else. You would think that you really emailed the photo to the other person, but you didn't. You now have two photos. You've got the one that you sent by email and the original, which would still be in your computer. You see, you didn't really send to the other person the digital photo. You sent a copy of the photo. Same thing if you take a picture with your mobile device and you send it to someone else, you still have that picture in your mobile device. This is a big problem because you're doubling that digital asset. So let's try that with something valuable, like for example, the image of the Mona Lisa. If you take a picture of the Mona Lisa, you could actually make multiple copies of that picture of the Mona Lisa. That's why just a digital picture of the Mona Lisa is really not valuable. In fact, let's look at how reality works. Everybody's taking pictures of the Mona Lisa and it really has no value to it. Yes, they're pretty pictures, but at the end of the day, it's not a valuable photo that you can turn around and sell to someone else. Same thing happened to music. In fact, this is actually showing how music lost half of its sales. They lost from $14.6 billion in music sales. It tanked all the way to 2009 at $6.3 billion. And it's the same thing that happened to me. I got all my songs turned into free MP3s and they were spread to the world. And yes, I made a lot of people happy, but I didn't make any money. And as a creative artist, and I'm sure you can understand, you want to be compensated for your work. And if somebody actually takes your work, they can create a free version of it and give it away for free around the world. It really leaves you out of the picture and you really can't produce art because you're not making money with your art. So let's look right now at how the music industry is actually leveraging NFTs, because the music industry is really grabbing on to the NFT concept and this technology is making big impact across the industry. This is the dance music duo Disclosure. They produced a new live song on Twitch, then they turned around and minted it as a track on a single copy NFT and put it up for auction. The piece sold the next day for approximately $69,000. Now notice, this is a single NFT and it made $69,000. What an incredible new way to be able to monetize your work. When you really think about what really happened here, this was a combination of the dance music duo actually produced a song live using Twitch. Then they turned around, they minted that performance, they turned it into an NFT and put it up for auction. And they made $69,000. I'm going to tell you exactly how you can do all this as we go through this course, but I just want to give in your mind all the possibilities that are available to you. So I'm going to return again to the concept of the NFT is valuable because blockchain has enabled digital scarcity. So let's talk blockchain for a moment because I want you to know that there are popular blockchains on which you can mint NFTs. So by far, the most popular option is Ethereum. What you'll see is that it's the #1 option by far, and the most popular option of minting NFTs is using the ERC-721 token standard. This is the same exact type of digital token that was used in CryptoKitties. This ERC-721 has become an industry standard, and many NFTs are created using ERC-721, which is built on Ethereum. The ERC-1155 is also popular, but it's not as popular as ERC-721. The reason why these are so popular is that they are compatible with the majority of the NFT ecosystem. So they're compatible with wallets, they're compatible with the marketplaces. You're going to learn as we go through this course. I'm going to introduce you to MetaMask. It's compatible with MetaMask. I'm going to introduce you to Rarible. It's compatible with Rarible. I'm going to tell you about OpenSea. It's compatible with OpenSea. All of these work in this ecosystem of NFTs. You're going to learn all this in this course. For your information, I'm going to talk to you about other popular blockchain options beyond merely Ethereum. I'll go stress again that Ethereum is the most popular, and if you want to be successful in selling your NFTs, I would highly encourage you to do it on top of Ethereum. Why? Because Ethereum works directly with OpenSea, it works directly with Rarible, it works with Mintable, it works with all these different marketplaces, and actually the marketplaces and everything works with MetaMask, which you'll also get to use MetaMask. So my point is, if you don't want to complicate yourself and you want to just simply create NFTs as quickly as possible with a very high chance of success, because you'll be able to list them on the marketplaces, I say go with Ethereum. But if you want to go beyond that, other popular blockchain options include, for instance, Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually has the opportunity for you to build NFTs on top of it using different options. For example, I talked about Counterparty, but there's also, for instance, RSK. RSK is a platform that enables you to program smart contracts which run on top of the Bitcoin blockchain. So it is possible for you to build NFTs on top of Bitcoin. Additionally, Bitcoin Cash also gives you the possibility for you to create NFTs, and I, for instance, have created multiple NFTs on top of the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. I personally do it because I leverage it to create an NFT that I can control, because only I get to be able to say I own that NFT on top of the Bitcoin Cash blockchain. I'm not listing these NFTs for sale on a marketplace. I'm doing it to show authorship and ownership of several assets that I've created. That's why I use Bitcoin Cash. But not everybody wants to do that. If you actually want to create art, for instance, and sell it, your best bet is to go with Ethereum. Moving forward, other options, you've got Cardano, you've got Polkadot, you've got EOS, you've got Tron. In fact, there's over 9,000 different cryptocurrencies and many, many other options where you can actually build your NFTs. What I will tell you is that at this moment, the hottest by far option for your NFTs, and the one with the highest chance of success, is building it using Ethereum. And in this course, you're going to learn exactly how you can do that.